Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Timmy the Creator. And this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how you can play a video on any 3D mesh on Blender. So let me show you what I'm saying. So this is what I am saying. Anyway, the frame is kind of slow, but I'm going to be explaining the process of how to do this on Blender. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So now I have my TV model here, no screen on it. Let me show you. You can see this is EV, so no video is playing on this TV screen, but this TV screen has got it from CG Trader in case you want to get your own TV screen. So let me just go back to the 3D view. So I'm going to select this mesh, go to the tab, because we need to separate the material of this screen so that we can create our video or place our video on it. So I can select C to create this circle, and then you can just select all this. Just make sure you selected this shape. Then you can select all the, just select where you want your video to play. So after doing this, you can create a new material. Let me see, I should have done this before. Let me just exit, create a new material, new, and you can just name it screen, SCREEN, and like that. And then you can select assign it. So we are going to assign this to this material. So when I click on this and click on screen and click on select, it automatically selects this. Then the next thing we are going to do is to add our material. So let me just drag this like our shader. I'm going to change this to, you can see, and then here I'm going to change this to shader editor. Then after doing that, I'm going to delete this. We need to change this to emission. So I'm going to change this to emission. You can see this, and I'm going to select Control T, and then we are going to bring in our video. I'm going to select open. I'm going to look for a video. Let me see if I'm going to use this Yoruba culture video. If you have any video with you, you can also use. I'm going to select open. Then we have something like this. It might take a while, you get, and you can see it's upside down, but anyway, we can fix that. I'm going to select the, you need to change this from single image. You see it as single image, change it to movie. Very important. So it's still loading. And the frame, you can set it to 500 depending on the duration of the video. If your video is if your video is less than 500 frame, your video will stop. It will just stop. So let me just drag the timeline so you can see if the video is playing or not. Our video is not playing yet, so I'm going to click on side click and auto refresh. Don't forget to do that, and let's try it again. You can see it's playing, but let's fix the UV editor or the mesh. I'm going to go to my UV editor, go to tab mode, and then you can see this is the problem. I'm going to select A, and let's unwrap this again. Let me see, unwrap. Okay, I'll probably just RX90. Yep, and we can scale it. You can see scale it out, select G to scale it, and you can just set it to something like this. I think this is quite okay, because you can see to do auto repeat in case you can see this. So just set it like this, can you see, and then we are good to go. You can click on tab, and then when I drag through the timeline, you can see our video is playing. You can see it. Let me go back to our shader editor. So let me just drag it so you can see that our video is playing, and I think this is where the video stops. I don't think the video is up to, okay, it's still playing, sure, but let me set it to 500. I know this video is not up to 500 frames. 250 is fine. Let me just leave it at 250. But anyway, this is just how you can also recreate or play a video on any mesh on Blender. So thank you for watching this video from Timmy the Creator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also notification.